This is Engineering Marvels. Over 2,200 years ago in Greece, Archimedes made a staggering number of contributions to mathematics, science, and engineering. He's notably famous for coining the phrase Eureka, or I have found it, after discovering that water is displaced in proportion to the volume of a submerged object. The story goes that Archimedes made this discovery in the bathtub and was so excited that he ran through the streets of ancient Syracuse in the all-together, telling anyone who would listen. Another of Archimedes' famous quotes is, "Give me a lever long enough and a fulcrum on which to place it, and I shall move the world." Archimedes is in fact credited with first recording the principle of how a lever works. The lever is one of the 6 simple machines. The lever, pulley, inclined plane, screw, wedge, and wheel and axle are the classic simple machines. They require no motors to operate, but each offer a mechanical advantage to the user. Anyone who's ever ridden a teeter-totter has a good working knowledge of how levers work. A lever consists of a long board or rod and a fulcrum. The fulcrum is the support on which the board or rod balances and about which it pivots. In a teeter-totter application, the goal is to balance 2 masses, one on either side of the fulcrum. To achieve equilibrium, the amount of torque created by each mass must equal out. Torque is equal to the product of force and distance. The larger the mass, the more weight it has. The larger the weight, the shorter the distance to the fulcrum the mass should be placed for equilibrium. The mechanical advantage of a lever is that it can be used to lift heavy objects with a small amount of force, if you stand far enough away from the object you wish to lift. Consider Archimedes' statement about moving the world. If you could stand in space with a lever under the earth and a fulcrum right next to it, you could in fact lift the earth using only your own strength. You would just have to stand very, very far away. From construction projects in ancient Egypt to modern-day crowbars, the simple lever is a timeless machine. We know it's exciting, but please, keep your pants on. Engineering Marvels is a joint production of the Frank H. White College of Engineering at Texas A&M University Kingsville and South Texas Public Radio. Past episodes are available online at tamuk.edu/engineering. I'm Jason Martin.